In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hyperlink from a cell in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where the hyperlink appears. Once you're in the correct sheet, locate the specific cell that contains the linked text. This is the cell you'll be editing, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one before making any changes. Next, click directly on that cell. In many cases, linked text may look slightly different from regular text, so if you notice that the text appears clickable, that's a good sign you found the hyperlink. After selecting the cell, open the cell link or hyperlink settings. Depending on your Smartsheet view or interface, this may appear through a right-click menu, a cell editing option, or a link-related setting in the toolbar. The goal here is to access the settings that control the hyperlink attached to that cell. Once those settings are open, look for the option to remove the link. In some versions, it may say remove link, while in others, you may simply need to delete the URL itself. Either approach does the same thing. It disconnects the text from the web address, so it no longer behaves like a clickable hyperlink. If you still want the words to remain visible in the cell, make sure to keep the display text. This is especially useful if the text itself is meaningful, such as a reference label, document name, or note that still needs to stay in the sheet even though the link is no longer needed. Be careful not to delete the text unless your intention is to remove everything from the cell. After that, save the cell changes. This confirms the update and applies the removal of the hyperlink. If Smartsheet updates automatically in your workspace, the change may be saved as soon as you finish editing, but it's still a good idea to click away from the cell and verify that the edit has fully taken effect. Finally, check the cell one more time to confirm that the text no longer opens as a hyperlink. Try clicking on it normally and see whether it behaves like plain text rather than sending you to a web page or another destination. If it no longer opens anything, then the hyperlink has been successfully removed. That's it. You've now removed a hyperlink from a Smartsheet cell while keeping the text in place if needed.